Welcome to Files and Folders. In this video, we're going to show you how to make lacy mats. You require a thin page, pencil, sketch pen and scissors. First, fold the page into half and then into a square. And then open it. Make a point using a sketch pen at the center of the page. Now fold it. Fold it towards the opposite side. Now fold it into a square. Now make it a triangle. Now you can see the black point. From that black point, make another triangle. Fold it into half. Now draw some simple figures like one slant at the top near the black point, a triangle, a little big triangle, a semicircle, a triangle. These triangles should be made over the unfold open side. You may choose your own designs too. I am making a flower part like this. Now cut all these using scissors. Be careful while cutting. Take help of your parents. You may ask your parents to cut the semicircle. And the flowery part. Now after cutting this, open the flower . Now your mat is ready. These are 3 types of designable mats. You may make any one of it. Choose your own design and make it. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications so that you are the first one to see.